Thank you. We, the participants of the NGO Forum, call on the Commission to adopt a resolution on the situation of human rights in Libya, in which it expresses grave concern at the continued human rights crisis in Libya, including arbitrary detention, enforced disappearance, torture, extrajudicial killings, deaths in custody, human trafficking, migrant abuses, and reprisals against civic actors and families of victims. Secondly, calls on Libyan authorities, including all de facto authorities, exercising control over territory, detention facilities, or security bodies to end arbitrary detention and enforce disappearance, as well as disclose the fate and whereabouts of disappeared persons and ensure that all detainees are held only in official places of detention under judicial oversight. Third, urges Libyan authorities to ensure all judicial and prosecutorial release orders without delay, and to ensure that security bodies, prison authorities, and armed groups do not override court decisions or detain individuals outside the law. 4, calls for prompt, independent, impartial, and effective investigations into torture, ill treatment, deaths in custody, extrajudicial killings, abductions, human trafficking, and secret detention without accountability, especially for those responsible, and remedies for victims and their families. Urges Libyan authorities to close secret and unofficial detention sites, including those used to hold migrants, refugees, and asylum seekers, and to provide survivors with protection, medical care, legal assistance, and access to justice. 6, calls on Libya to protect migrants, refugees, and asylum seekers from trafficking, exploitation, arbitrary detention, forced labor, extortion, violence, collective expulsion and refoulement, and to strengthen rights-based protection and rescue mechanisms. 7, urges Libyan authorities to end reprisals against human rights defenders, activists, artists, journalists, civil society actors, and families seeking truth and accountability. And lastly, requests the African Commission to maintain public monitoring of Libya's compliance with the African Charter, including through the relevant special mechanisms, and to seek information from Libya on detention sites, migrant protection, enforced disappearance, non-enforcement of release orders, deaths in custody, and measures taken to ensure accountability. Thank you.